Have you ever walked into a room and immediately felt a sense of peace and tranquility, or perhaps the opposite? A sudden unease without any apparent reason. Our homes, much like us, hold on to the energies of the experiences they shelter. Just as we periodically need to refresh and rejuvenate our spirits, our living spaces also require a cleanse from the invisible clutter of absorbed energies. Today, we delve into an ancient ritual, one that harnesses the purifying essence of salt to cleanse your home's energy, restoring balance and harmony. Join us as we explore this timeless practice, its roots, and how you can apply it to your own space for a serene living environment. Our homes are not just physical structures. They are sanctuaries for our souls, repositories of our daily lives, and the energies we carry home. The energy within our homes can significantly influence our mood, health, and overall well-being. Positive energy can uplift our spirits and enhance our life quality, while negative energy can drain our vitality and cloud our days. Understanding the significance of the energy that permeates our homes is the first step toward cultivating a space that supports and nourishes us. It's about creating an environment where every corner radiates positivity, every room embraces tranquility, and every space promotes health and happiness. This understanding sets the foundation for why energy cleansing, particularly with salt, is not just beneficial, but essential for maintaining a harmonious living space. But what do we mean by energy cleansing? Simply put, energy cleansing is the practice of clearing a space of negative energies that accumulate over time due to various factors: emotional distress, illness, or even mundane disputes, and inviting positive energy to take its place. Just as dust and clutter can accumulate unnoticed, so too can the energy that affects our home's atmosphere, and, in turn, our personal well-being. Cleansing your home's energy is akin to opening the windows on a spring day, allowing fresh air to sweep through and rejuvenate the space. This practice is rooted in numerous cultures and traditions worldwide, each with its unique approach, but all sharing the common goal of purifying and protecting their living spaces. Among these practices, the use of salt stands out for its simplicity, accessibility, and profound effectiveness. Salt, in its essence, is a mineral of the earth, grounded in the very fabric of nature and imbued with cleansing properties that have been recognized and revered through the ages. Turning the pages back to ancient times, salt has always been a symbol of purity, protection, and sanctity. Across different cultures and civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Romans and the Japanese to the Native Americans, salt has played a crucial role in rituals and ceremonies. It was used not only as a commodity for trade or a seasoning for food, but as a sacred element in religious rites, offerings, and blessings. Salt's ability to preserve food from decay mirrored its perceived power to protect homes and individuals from negative influences and spirits. In some traditions, salt is sprinkled around the perimeter of a home or across thresholds to ward off evil entities. This universal reverence for salt underscores its potency as a purifying agent, a bridge between the material and spiritual worlds, and a protector of spaces and souls. By incorporating salt into our energy cleansing practices today, we connect with these ancient rituals, drawing on centuries of wisdom and spiritual guidance. But why does salt work so effectively in cleansing energy? The answer lies at the intersection of science and spirituality. Scientifically, salt is a crystal, And like all crystals, it has the ability to affect the energy around it. It's hygroscopic, meaning it attracts water molecules from its environment. This property is symbolic of its ability to absorb negative energies, much like it absorbs moisture. Spiritually, salt is considered to have grounding and clearing properties. It's believed to create a barrier that negative energies cannot cross, purifying spaces and objects by absorbing and neutralizing these energies. This dual nature of salt, both as a physical substance with unique properties and as a spiritual tool imbued with centuries of belief and practice, makes it an ideal candidate for cleansing and protecting the energy of our homes. By leveraging salt's natural and spiritual properties, we can effectively cleanse our spaces, creating a sanctuary that supports our well-being and harmony. As we've discovered, salt is not just salt. There are various types, each with its unique properties and uses, especially when it comes to energy cleansing. The most common types include sea salt, Himalayan pink salt, and table salt. Sea salt, harvested from evaporated seawater, retains the energetic properties of the ocean and is often used for its purifying qualities. Himalayan pink salt, known for its beautiful pink hue and mined from ancient seabeds, is believed to emit positive ions, promoting balance and healing. Table salt, while more processed, can still be used in energy cleansing, especially when infused with herbs or essential oils to enhance its properties. The choice of salt can be guided by personal intuition or the specific needs of your space. Whether sprinkling it around your home, placing bowls of salt in corners to absorb negative energy, or dissolving it in water to wash surfaces, each type of salt serves as a powerful ally in your journey to cleanse and protect your home's energy. Before embarking on a salt cleansing ritual, preparing your space and yourself is crucial. Start by physically cleaning your home. This act of tidying not only clears your space of clutter, but also signals your intention to the universe that you're ready to cleanse and refresh the energy of your environment. Open windows and doors to allow fresh air to circulate, further symbolizing the departure of old energies and the welcome of new, positive vibrations. Mentally, prepare by setting a clear intention for what you wish to achieve through this ritual. Whether it's to bring peace, protect against negative energies, or simply to refresh your space, your intention will guide the energy work you're about to do. This preparation phase is about creating a clean, open, and intentional foundation for the sacred act of cleansing with salt. By respecting this process, you align yourself more closely with the energies you wish to invite into your home. With your space prepared and your chosen type of salt at hand, it's time to conduct the salt cleansing ritual. Begin by taking a moment to center yourself, focusing on your intention. Hold the salt in your hands and visualize it being infused with your intention to cleanse and protect your home. Start at the front door, symbolizing the entry point for all energies into your home. Sprinkle a line of salt across the threshold, setting a boundary for protection. Proceed to move clockwise through your home, lightly sprinkling salt in the corners of each room or in areas that feel particularly heavy with stagnant energy. As you do this, you may recite a simple affirmation or mantra that aligns with your intention, such as, "I cleanse this space of negativity and fill it with light and love." For areas that cannot have salt, sprinkle it directly. Consider placing small bowls of salt to absorb the energies. Once you've encircled your entire home, dispose of the salt used in the ritual outside, returning it to the earth to neutralize the energies it has absorbed. Conclude the ritual by expressing gratitude for the protection and cleansing provided, sealing the intention and your efforts. The ritual of salt cleansing doesn't end with the disposal of used salt. Maintaining the sanctity of your cleansed space is an ongoing practice. Regularly open windows to allow fresh air and sunlight to permeate your home, natural purifiers that continually renew energy. Consider incorporating salt cleansing into your routine, whether monthly or seasonally, to address any accumulated energies. Keep small bowls of salt in areas prone to negativity or high traffic, replacing them every few weeks. Additionally, mindfulness and positive practices, such as meditation, burning sage or Palo Santo, and placing crystals around your home, can complement the effects of salt cleansing, creating a barrier against negativity. Remember, the energy of your home is a reflection of your own. Nurturing a positive, peaceful internal state will naturally extend to your environment. For those who have become comfortable with the basic salt cleansing ritual and seek to amplify its effects, several advanced techniques can be incorporated. One potent method involves creating a saltwater solution charged under the moonlight. On the night of a full moon, dissolve sea salt or Himalayan pink salt in a jar of water and leave it outside or on a windowsill to absorb the moon's energy overnight. This moon-charged salt water can then be used to anoint doorways, windows, and mirrors, acting as a barrier against negative energies. Another technique involves laying out geometric patterns or protective symbols with salt in specific areas of your home. These symbols can be based on sacred geometry, ancient runes, or any personal sigils that hold meaning to you. Such patterns act as energetic filters, enhancing the protective and cleansing properties of the salt. Additionally, incorporating elements like essential oils or herbs into the salt can tailor the cleansing process to specific needs, such as lavender for tranquility or rosemary for protection. These advanced practices allow for a more personalized and potent approach to energy cleansing, enabling you to craft a space that truly resonates with your spirit. In embarking on this salt cleansing journey, we've reconnected with an age-old wisdom that teaches us the importance of maintaining not just a physically clean environment, but also an energetically harmonious one. Salt, a simple yet profoundly powerful element, serves as our ally in purifying our homes and protecting our spaces from negative energies. The rituals we've explored together are more than just steps in a process. They are acts of intention, symbols of our desire to create a sanctuary of tranquility and well-being. As you integrate these practices into your life, remember that the most crucial ingredient is your intention. The energy you put into the ritual, your thoughts, your feelings, your desires for your home, imbues the salt with its power to cleanse and protect. Now that you are equipped with the knowledge and tools to cleanse your home's energy with salt, I encourage you to take the first step. Choose a day that feels right for you, gather your materials, and approach the ritual with an open heart and a clear mind. Remember, this is a journey of nurturing and protecting your living space, transforming it into a source of comfort, joy, and peace. Share your experiences, insights, and questions with our community. Your journey can inspire and enlighten others, creating a ripple effect of positivity and harmony. As you continue to practice and explore the depths of salt cleansing, allow yourself to be guided by intuition and tradition. Experiment with different salts, rituals, and frequencies of cleansing to discover what resonates best with you and your home. And most importantly, observe the shifts in your environment and within yourself as you align more deeply with the principles of purification and protection. Thank you for allowing us to guide you through this ancient ritual of salt cleansing. May your home be a beacon of light, love, and positivity, safeguarded by the timeless wisdom of salt.